and thanks for visiting my channel. I'm Nicola Swan, a pinup and fetish model and a lingerie enthusiast. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a lingerie set from Miss Lala Presents, and it came packaged in plain brown paper. So under the brown paper is a really cute vintage cardboard gift box with the brand name Miss Lala's on the front. Inside, the package is wrapped in tissue paper with a Miss Lala sticker on it. So far, I'm really impressed with this presentation. And then nicely folded, we've got the chocolate box bra and panty set. So this is nicely packaged with tissue paper in the cups so that it doesn't lose its shape. This is a really lovely blue satin, hand folded on the cups, and then the inside is lined with a contrasting hot pink satin. So this set came in two versions. There's the blue with the hot pink lining, and then there was a hot pink with a blue lining. And it has a really nice structure, sturdy underwire here, good stretch in the band. I feel like these clips, the hooks and eyes, will hold up well over time. The stitching is quite nice. The fabric is perfectly smooth. There are no picks or imperfections anywhere. The bow is firmly attached. And on the label, it's got washing instructions, and it says reshape whilst damp. And this is a 36C, which is my usual size. So we'll try this on in a second and see how it fits. And I'm really excited about the panties. So it's got the same blue satin with the pink silk lining. And it does have a cotton gusset. So that's a bit easier to clean, a bit more comfortable to wear. So you could wear these as regular clothing as well, or as regular undergarments under your everyday clothing. You don't have to just save them for special occasion. And the best part is on the back side. Again, this is hand folded. You can see that the band is not digging in. It's very comfortable. If I turn around, the usual 36C is fitting me well. And the panties, you can see, are squishing me a little bit in the midsection, but that's not the fault of the underwear. That is the fault of my pandemic weight gain. So my weight fluctuates anyway, about 15 pounds either way, up or down. And so these will, I think, fit me nicely when I'm at the largest end of my size range like I am now, or when I'm a bit lower. I like the cut on the leg. I think that's a really flattering shape and rise. And then if I turn around, you can see that the hand-pleated design is really well situated. And I have a larger booty, so I think if you were a bit flatter, that would probably hit you a bit lower down. Overall, this set is beautiful, well crafted, clearly uses top materials, and is absolutely worth full price. I got this half off on sale through Miss Lala's website, but even so, I would certainly pay full price for another set of her lingerie based on the quality of this. And what really sets this apart from some other styles that I've tried and brands that I've tried is the attention to detail. So on the little bow here, you can see that it's hitting me in a really good spot. It's not too bulky. I feel like I could actually even wear this under regular everyday clothing. It wouldn't have to be anything too loose. The folds on the cup of the bra are, again, not too bulky or obtrusive. Same with the folds on the bottoms, and incredibly comfortable, really cute contrast lining, supportive, fits true to size. So I would absolutely give this one 5 stars and look forward to buying more.